Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. We're gonna do something a little different today. I don't know how to say it. I basically want to give you guys a little back in on some of the cars I've done, especially one in particular that I regret to this day getting rid of. I would have got rid of all my cars that I know if at the time what I had, I did know what I had, but I just didn't know how much attention it brought. And it was one, yeah, it's the oldest car I actually own since being in Texas. And it was my Datsun 510. I wish I would have kept it, but I didn't. And I just want to show you guys one of the cars I built many years ago. I want to say probably, I think it was like 5 years ago, but I want to bring it to you guys so you guys can see this car and see what I thought about it, and how I wish I would have kept that car. But any other car I probably would have got rid of, but that one I hate that I had done that. I hate that I'd done it. And yeah, again, like I said, I regret it to this day, but I want to bring it to you guys and show you guys what you think.